If you need to make a 2x2 picture in Photopea, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it from start to finish. Whether you need it for an ID, passport, application, or any other official document, the goal is to create a clean, properly sized photo that prints correctly and looks professional. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set the canvas, place your photo, position it correctly, and export the final image in the right format. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Photopea in your browser. Once the editor loads, go to File, then click New. This is where we'll create the exact size for the picture. In the new document window, look for the units drop-down and change it from pixels to inches. This is important because a 2x2 picture needs to be measured accurately for printing. After that, set the width to 2 and the height to 2. That gives you the standard square photo size. Next, set the resolution or DPI to 300. This is one of the most important settings because 300 DPI helps keep the image sharp and crisp when printed. If the resolution is too low, your picture may look blurry or pixelated. For the background, choose white unless your specific ID, passport, or form asks for a different background color. Once everything is set, click Create. Now you have a blank 2x2 canvas ready for your photo. The next step is importing your image. Go to File again, then choose Open and Place, and select the photo you want to use. Photopea will place the image onto your canvas with a transform box around it. At this stage, you want to resize the picture carefully so it fits the 2x2 frame properly. Hold Shift while dragging the corners of the photo boundary box. This keeps the image proportional and prevents your face from getting stretched or distorted. Take your time here and make sure the image looks natural. You want the subject centered in the frame, with the head and shoulders positioned neatly inside the box. For most ID-style photos, the face should be clear, straight, and well-balanced. Avoid placing the head too high or too low unless your photo requirements specifically say otherwise. If needed, you can move the image slightly until it looks right. Once you're happy with the position, press Enter to apply the transformation. This locks in the photo placement on the canvas. Now your 2x2 picture is basically complete, but the final step is exporting it correctly. Go to File, then choose Export As and select JPG or PNG depending on what you need. If you're submitting the photo online, PNG is often a safe choice because it keeps quality high. If you need a smaller file size, JPG is usually fine. After choosing the format, click Save and download the finished file to your computer. Before you upload or print it, it's always a good idea to open the exported image and double check that the size looks correct and the photo is clear. That small extra step can save you from having to redo the whole thing later. And that's how you make a 2x2 picture in Photopea quickly and correctly. It's simple once you know the right canvas settings and export steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more practical Photopea tips and easy editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.